When Emma finally opened her small clothing store, everyone thought she was a massive success. Customers flooded in every single day. Sales were booming. Her Instagram was blowing up with new followers. On paper, it looked like the perfect startup story. But behind the smiling photos and happy customers, Emma was drowning. Think about it. She'd sell a bunch of beautiful dresses today, but the payment from the processor wouldn't hit her account until next week. The problem was, her landlord wanted the rent now. Her suppliers needed their cash on delivery. Her staff had families to feed and couldn't wait for their salaries. Money was definitely coming in, but it was always out of sync with when it needed to go out. Emma didn't realize it at first, but her business wasn't failing because it wasn't profitable. It was dying because of a cash flow crisis. This is a hard truth that many new entrepreneurs miss. A business rarely dies from a lack of customers. It dies when it runs out of cash. Cash flow is actually a really simple concept. It's the movement of money into and out of your business. But the most critical part of that equation is timing. You could make $10,000 in sales this month, which sounds amazing, right? But if you have $11,000 in expenses that need to be paid today, you're technically broke. You're in the red and you can't pay your bills. Emma learned this lesson the hard way, almost losing her dream. So she made some big changes. She started offering small discounts for immediate cash payments. She negotiated better terms with her suppliers. She began meticulously planning her expenses weeks, even months, in advance. Most importantly, she stopped confusing the profit she saw on a spreadsheet with the actual cash she had in the bank. Slowly but surely, the constant stress began to fade. The sleepless nights became fewer. Her business started to breathe again. The lesson here is powerful. Profit looks fantastic on paper. Big revenue numbers sound impressive in a meeting. But it's cash flow that pays the bills. It's cash flow that keeps the lights on and the doors open. Without a healthy flow of cash, even the most brilliant business idea in the world is destined to fail. So, if you're an entrepreneur or dreaming of becoming one, don't just focus on making sales. Focus on managing your cash. It's the true lifeblood of your business. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you see business in a new light, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world tips. See you in the next one.